So, you have a new barbecue video for me?
Yes, sir, I do. So, I'm going to start the video off by showcasing the final product. This will bring the audience in to keep them watching the whole video. And we have to make sure to mention to like, comment, and double smash that subscribe button.
Okay, let me smash that thing.
I'll start the actual video off by going into super detail about the type of meat that we have, the rub selection, and the wood that we're going to use for this cook, and why.
Won't that be boring and you'll lose the attention of the viewers?
I'm going to need you to go way off my back on this one.
Oh, let me get off of that thing.
For this video, we are barbecuing a 15-pound whole packer brisket.
Wouldn't a 15-pound brisket be too hard to cook for the newbie barbecuer?
Actually, it's going to be super easy, barely inconvenience.
Oh, really?
Yes, you see, we'll have a pellet barbecue, probably a Traeger.
Hashtag Traeger Nation.
You know, this is just a barbecue that pretends to be an oven.
Why not use a real offset barbecue and show how true American barbecue should be made?
I don't know. This video will come together when we're unwrapping the butcher paper showing the 15-pound brisket that we spent all night barbecuing.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Sounds great so far. How are we supposed to make any money on this thing?
We're going to have some cheap knockoff brand product placement, probably some gloves or a scraper.
So are we getting paid for that?
Actually, no. The item we're featuring is what the company says is their form of compensation for doing the video.
Ooh, sure seems like these companies are trying to get something for nothing.
Yes, sir, this is how it works. The content creator foots the bill, time, energy, and resources, all in hopes to maximize that YouTube algorithm.
Oh, maximizing the YouTube algorithm is tight. This all sounds great so far. I'm not seeing any downside.
Well, I'm glad you brought that up. We will have no mention of hygiene or how to keep the meat sanitary.
With no mention of proper food guidelines or how to keep yourself from being sick?
Whoopsie!
Whoopsie!
In fact, we're going to have bad camera angles and unintelligible audio. So if that was even mentioned, it would be impossible to hear.
If there's one thing I know people love, it's the sound of tinfoil being wrapped up.
We'll end with a taste test. He'll sit down and tell the camera just how great his barbecue is.
Better get your Joe Rogan surprise face ready.
So what do you think?
This sounds like a great barbecue video. It's amazing more people don't do this.
Thank you everybody for watching this barbecue pitch meeting. I hope you had as much fun watching it as I did making it. If you click around my channel, you'll see everything but pitch meetings and all barbecue. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.